how to send your location on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on the messages option on the top right of your screen and further go ahead and select the individual whom you want to send your location. Now tap on the plus icon on the bottom right of your screen, and in the menu that appears, you will see the location option. So tap on the location option and then tap on the continue button you see there in order to give Instagram access to your location. Further, tap on the share your location button you see there and you will then be able to send your location as you can see here on the screen. So this is how you can share your location on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.